When it comes to gaming and content creation, having good audio is a must-have. Now chances are you are here because you're on a budget but also looking for a crisp sounding microphone. Well, you're in luck because Fifine actually sent me their K688 dynamic microphone. Now upon unboxing the microphone, you get a USB-C cable, a screw for the boom arm, and then the microphone. Now first thing I actually noticed about this microphone is that it's quite heavy. The build is solid with a metal body, which is actually surprising coming from a budget microphone. Oh yeah, and it also does not come with any RGB, which I actually like. With no RGB, especially in a microphone, it feels more professional, more simplistic, and less like a toy. It has a tap to mute button and an audio jack for your headset. It also comes with USB-C and XLR, which makes it perfect for beginners. You can either plug it straight into your PC via USB-C, or if you're a nerd, no offense, use XLR, which you also need an audio mixer for. The microphone is not just compatible with your PC, but you can also use it for your PS5. Sorry, Xbox. I've already heard pretty good things about this microphone, but what impresses me the most is that its competitor, the Shure SM7B, costs $500. That's a whopping 7 times price difference. Just to put it into perspective, this $70 microphone is competing with the microphone all your favorite streamers, YouTubers, musicians, and podcasters use daily. And I know what you're thinking, Q, they're probably just paying you to say all this. But that's actually where you're wrong. This is the Fifine, what is it? T058B, and this is actually the first ever microphone I bought. 4 years ago when I started my YouTube channel, I was looking for something that sounds good, easy to use, and also does not break the bank. And that's something Fifine does so well. The fact that it's perfect for users with no experience, but also give the option for XLR for more advanced users. I actually know creators that prefer the K688 over their $300 microphones. But let's actually go ahead and compare these two with each other. Okay, so I have been recording with the K688 the entire time, but this is the T05B and it's actually a condenser microphone, which actually means it requires a quiet environment or like a studio. This microphone is very detailed, very sensitive, and not really ideal for a noisy room like mine. Now this is my main microphone that I always use to film videos. And sometimes I would record a video and this microphone will pick up a conversation from the other side of my house. But one thing about this microphone is that it's very clear and the detail is insane. Definitely better for like music artists or rappers. And we're back on the K88. Now this is a dynamic microphone, which means it cuts out all the noise, which is ideal for me because I do make videos in my room and my room is not always the quietest place. And also I leave the TV on usually when I record. But this microphone so far gets a 10 out of 10 for me. But I'm gonna let you guys decide on that. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. I've also put the link in the description if you guys want to cop one yourself. And thanks again Fifine for sending out this microphone. I don't usually collab with brands, but this is definitely a partnership that I wanted to do. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.